If you're watching this video, like and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our scale and chord tutorial videos. Today we're talking about F major, the F major scale. We'll do it in the right hand, and then the left hand, and then both hands. Starting off on the right hand, on my thumb, I'll do this first with note letter names, and then with fingering numbers. There is one flat in the key of F, our B flat. Up here, we'll play that with our ring finger. Starting on F, ready, here we go. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Bring it back down. With our fingering numbers, we are not going to use the pinky, just the 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll start F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, back, down, flip. With fingering numbers, that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In both hands, very slowly. Right hand does not use the pinky. Ready, and. Back down. Left hand flips. Go back and practice that again if you need. I encourage it. And then play on to the next scale video.